Hey guys, Steve here. In this video, what I want to do is just introduce myself and say hi and welcome to my List Lion team resource page and to my group, right? You partnered with me in this opportunity and I just wanted to introduce myself. I've been in this business for about 3 years and I just learned that and you'll learn this too, that if you reach out to people and show them that you're a real person, not only will your success increase, but the person who partnered with you, their success will increase too, right? In the opportunity or in any other opportunity, because what they'll do is they'll learn to do the same thing and it works, right? But I know this is only a $7 program, but I do have some bonuses that are down below this page. And I also have some links that you can get a hold of me in. One will be my YouTube, another one will be my Facebook, and I think one is my email address, and that is right below this video. Also, you can always find help in the Facebook group for List Lion, where you also get help from the community and get help from the creator himself, Randy Maurer, right? So I just wanted to let you know that. And then also, I wanted to just walk through some things that I think you should know that will help you succeed in this online opportunity, as well as every other online opportunity you get involved with, right? The first thing that I do want to say is that whatever online opportunity you get in, always watch the videos in the back office. Go through all the training, go through all the videos. I know it gets boring, or I know, but what that does is it strengthens your mind because you're forcing yourself to do something you don't want to do. And you're actually learning a little bit more about the opportunity, which will help you later on when you start making your YouTube videos, when you start making your ClickBank, not your ClickBank, but your TikTok videos, when you start making your posts and everything like that. Why? Because, we are what we eat. We are what we read. We are what we put our what we consume as far as learning and different techniques and strategies, right? So just keep that in mind. That's just a very good tip that I use in order to be successful in this space, right? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna run down the page of the bonuses, and I may chat with you on the way down while we're walking. We could be talking, right? So here we go. Let's jump right in and go through this page that I have for you with a whole bunch of resources. So this is the video that I'm recording right now that'll be replaced. Here's my contact information. Here's just a little bit about welcome to List Lion. One thing I do recommend you to start doing is thinking how, when someone partners with you as a free member, how you're gonna reach out with them. And I think I'll put a sample text of an email I send. Actually, we'll jump over here and I'll show you right quick. Let's go to my emails. I want to go to my sent. And what I'll do is I'll show you real quick of an email that I send to List Lion members as soon as they join. Right here. Here's a quick email where I say, and I think I'll save this for you guys to use too, where it says, thanks for checking out List Lion. They became a free member, right? So I immediately send this out, and I, as you can see here, create a review video, and I send that review video out, right? Or I send my link and say, hey, check out this video, and just have your affiliate link to the sales page. I give them a way of contacting me on my Facebook, and I just, just talk to them. Talk to them like they're a real person, right? Because they are, right? People are people. Let them know that they are people. So anyway, let's jump back over to my my page as soon as I find it here. Here. I know I get all lost and stuff because I got so many pages open. Now I can't find it. Let me pause. Yeah, sorry, it took me a minute to find. I got so many browsers over here, I couldn't find it. But anyway, as we're walking through here, I will put a copy email down here a little later. As you're walking through here, my first bonus is a free affiliate blog site where you can have your first blog, right? And I'll show you real quick. It's this blog site right here, your free money-making website. That's what I'm giving you for free. So, that should help you out. Posting content, driving traffic, and, making some money, right? The next opportunity, the next resource I give you is a 50 email swipes. You click here. The next bonus I have is 9 free to join websites that can help you promote your business. You click here. Basically, these are traffic exchanges that are free to join, right? And basically, I got a video here. Just follow the instructions here and make sure you create a separate email when you sign up to these accounts, particularly because you don't want, like, for example, I made a my traffic exchange at Gmail email because here's one, 𝐂𝐸𝐻, which is a very popular one that you can do one email a day to hundreds of thousands of people. And also you'll get a free $5 for signing up, okay? But you can post your ads for free. So that's that right here. And I have a little video right here that kind of walks you through how to do it, right? Little overview video. The next bonuses I have is something called a free lead skimmer. Now, this is a way that you can three times your leads. So the key is with this is a tool that you can also generate income from. And you can use it for free. But I'll let you click and find that out. But there's a way that you can post your, say, List Lion link inside and promote that and advertise that as you're driving traffic. Speaking of driving traffic, that is what you're going to learn inside the List Lion platform is that you might as well get it through your head now. Driving traffic to your capture page and following up. So you work on yourself, which is a mindset. You drive traffic to your capture page to collect the emails, and you follow up. Just so you know, your sales do not come from initial traffic runs. Get that out of your mind. You need to get it into your mind that your sales come from the follow-up, the email follow-up. Then you will have the right perspective on traffic. Then whenever you run traffic, you won't be disappointed because the only thing traffic does is build your list so that you can email. Please, please, please understand me on that. That's why a lot of people get disappointed when it comes to solo ads and traffic and stuff like that. You just have to have the right perspective that you're running traffic to build your list so that you can email follow up with them later. If your leads that are on your email list are non-responsive, delete them because there's so many leads in this world that you can lose a few. Okay, I know that's just my personality, but believe me, I'm trying to help because I used to hate when somebody unsubscribed. Then I realized that wait a minute, I can get more. Very, very, very true. Right. I also give you 200 free Facebook groups that you can promote in. You just have to, join them and you can promote. Be careful though. You don't want to spam your link. You just want to post engaging posts to get them to message you and ask you how, and then you can message them your link. Don't just spam your link or you'll get kicked out. Trust me. And also here's a link that you can join Udemy to get traffic, and for your first order, you can get a $5 discount. Now, here's a nice one right here. Here are my traffic sources that I use. I can tell you that this one right here has brought me 2 to 3 sales off of one traffic run of 100 clicks. Right here, this 33 cent click. I'm getting ready to try this one today, and I'll let you know, right? But this one has brought me PLS Gold members for my Power Lead system, like this. But so has this one. This one has brought lead lightning sales. And what I realized about this traffic source is this same person promotes an opportunity and is always on the leaderboard. So I'm like, wow, if he's promoting that opportunity and he's a traffic supplier, that means his traffic is fire. Right? So I put that source there. This right here is a link that you can just use to build your list. I can't guarantee sales, but I can guarantee high opt-ins. This is Udemy again. I got to get rid of that link. I got 2 Udemys on here, right? I got Udemy here and I got Udemy there. This is a little more expensive traffic premium. This is Jazz Deep. This is Superior Solos. These are like 90 cents, $1 a click. This right here is, I'm going to try this for List Lion and I'm going to see, but this is like 40 clicks for $47. But this is like real live website, somebody searching, making money online type traffic, and they find you. So this right here, MLM leads, is the most unique traffic you can get, right? Because it's straight off the web, World Wide Web. Here's some traffic here. Here's a free rotator if you ever decide to build a team page or whatever. But anyway, I'll let you look for the rest of this. And I have some other things, some other bonuses on here that if you click through, you'll find them. I'm not even going to go over it because I'm not promoting those secret bonuses. I just I link the page and it has all kinds of stuff on it, right? So that's the bonus for you. This I need to change. This is what I want to show you. I put an extra video on this page of what you can do with your list, right? So for instance, with your list, you can promote ClickBank offers or Warrior Plus offers. And actually, I'll put a Warrior Plus link here too. You can promote Warrior Plus offers and ClickBank offers to your list. You're building your list, right? You're building your list for whatever you want. You're not building your list just for List Lion. You're building your list so that you can promote any opportunity to it. So let's monetize our list. So one day you do an email blast of List Lion. Or you put an email of List Lion and in the subject line, in the PS line under the signature, put, hey, I found another great opportunity, build your list, and have something else there, right? Just alternate. Because if they don't want to join List Lion, no matter if you send them 1,000,001 emails, they're not going to join List Lion, right? So use a different opportunity to rotate into that. And I have a strategy that I use for a platform that you get 100 to 200 leads a day. I have the link for that. You don't got to join. But it's just a strategy that you can apply to your list, right? And I'll put a button here for Warrior Plus too. But see, you already should be a Warrior Plus member if you are in List Lion, right? This is that affordable traffic link again. I have a duplicate, and then I'm not going to leave this here because I pretty much talk about it. I'll delete this. And then here are some other opportunities that you can use. Some other resources. Here's a autoresponder, a free landing page builder, just some general income producing activity steps that you should do every day. Some other resources down here like where you can get pictures, make posts. Here's the video editor that I use to make videos for free. I think it's 15-minute intervals. And here's a discount on creating thumbnails. And here is another free thumbnail opportunity right here where you can make thumbnails and posts and different pictures, right? So anyway, all the resources are here. These are all free, right? You join me in a one-time $7 purchase and I gave you the house. So I hope it is all useful to you. And once again, welcome to my List Lion team. And if you need any kind of assistance in driving traffic, in any kind of strategies, in any opportunity you're in, right? You can be in different opportunities, just ask. You know, you're on my team. If you're on my team here, I really don't care if you're not under me and you're on a different team that I'm on. Just ask. I'm here to help because I think the more people who help each other, look, there's really no competition. It's not scarce. There's no competition. There's not a limited number of leads, right? We need to get out of this mindset of scarcity and into the mindset of abundance. There's enough money and enough opportunity out here for all of us. So let's get it, right? So anyway, with that being said, enjoy the resources, enjoy the bonuses that I provide. Make sure you check out that traffic. And if anything, I hope I leave you with some ideas of how you can grow your team, right? How you can offer support and resources to your team so that they can have success just like you. And if you want a page just like this, I'll show you where to get that. Actually, you want a page similar to this? What you do is you come down here, you join this opportunity, and I'll give you a share code of something like this, and I can help you design a page. Well, anyway, that's all that I got. Welcome to my List Lion team, my Lions Den, and thanks for hanging out. I'm out. Reach out with any questions.